here we are. The same time I'm free, just make me know. You see? So how can I work here?
Butcha!
Yo, I'm not here, back.
Butcha!
I did it, man.
Where you going with?
I did it, my bro. Everything up.
Where you going with, man? Where you move, sir?
Oh.
Where you going with, Ronnie? You going with something I'm going to go.
I'm
Where you plan to surprise me? I have one girl in your youth.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
That's cool, man. Wait, me go on with it. Yeah, there. So I go on for fishes, and then go link him.
Yeah. But boy, I never can believe what you tell me, say.
What you mean, bad man? What go on?
Yeah. Now I'm going to see them in the park. Boy, she humble like a lamb, brother. I wonder if him switch his 2 peas and give her mutton instead. You see it?
Yeah, I feel like I just meet the girl and I like, you know. Every time you got that fear face, just tough up.
You know, say that cause the problem. Man, I say you style up in woman as girl.
Bad man, I saw me talk, you know. I want to hear it is that a decent thing, brother. When woman and woman sit down, then call themselves girl, then call themselves worst name.
Brother, I know say it go. I know say them look on it. You don't know an woman and woman thing a different thing from a man and woman thing. You see me? Man did it with the woman and your style of the woman in front of all the dog I call her girl. How you would feel if me see Morris and you would do the right this and me I say, oh, hey girl, rare. You know, whatever case.
And that didn't tell her. Brother, she never did when me call her a girl, you know.
No, she never did it. We I call the man woman girl in front of him. That can't sound right. Look on it.
You know what I go on now? Me not have to call she a girl and me not have to deal with him again. I just saw me see it, brother. Now I make no woman come between me and my friend them, you know. But him a move away.
Butcha, you know I'm rate you. I'm here there for a long while now. See your stubborn movements then. I like how you're moving, I walk on.
Yeah, man, but stubbornness. Nah, man, it is. I want to tell you, brother, I not have my right and give to you, brother. And the way how she style me, bro, I not like it. The man not even reach out back to me. I'm a go back up there, brother. The man pop off all knife off of me, brother. It is the matter how we talk to each other that I never lift a weapon yet. You're mad. And him come and draw a knife off of me.
Hey Lord, you stop. Where you get that from?
But but don't worry about this, man. This empty, bro. But you don't know, you have to have something on the block.
If you are Butcha, we are prepared for war.
It is members say we are gangster, brother. But we not go out there to look no war, brother. But what? You have to prepare for it.
Brother, the mindset that we make war reach we change with life now. You have to stop think them way. You have to start pretty different.
You ever think your past can catch up on you? Or it did happen to you local artists? It man, it come like some fantasy life you are living. A reality me I deal with.
So brother, everything where we are fight for the community I just go to waste. So. You feel say you can run studio and want to play Dan too.
Dan, you get this wrong, it is. Nah, try being a Dan. Just I try protect my own brother. Remember it is. Remember what we done, man. What we do a road, brother. Enough youth will always pray them things, brother. Try revenge.
Oh, if you try nothing no born yet. A fear we put in our enemy, Butcha. Them know they enough to cross the line. See? We say we have to take a different path. Where you are meds. Because I not go down the road there with you again. You know.
Yeah, man, come and talk about fear. It is, you see what time we are living in right now. And one thing me know, I'm a superhero right now. I'm in a bulletproof for me. Oh, I'm tell you, brother. Some of youth them where we war with, them have youth that grow. You can't stay there, I left my own here. Nah, take no threat it is. I don't care where you want to say, you know.
So I gotta start kill baby too. Eh? If I never fear, why you feel you need a gun? If I never fear butcher, why where that fear live in a bush? It's either you decide, it's either gun or studio or music. It's either you go bust shot or you go bust some little young youth them out of the community. Done with it. You hear that? So it's either or either. Me nah go par with you from you deal with that.
Yo, you know me I like the f*** talk there. Oh, baby dropping at this. So where I say, me I go take up gun for a kill baby.
So if you a tell me say, man have picked me a grow, man where we in a war with. You tell me say if one of them walk up to you with a gun, you go murder them. Enough youth born come see enough things and hear things and them not go certain road. Youth a youth, butcher.
Butcher!
Oh, go on.